Sir, how are you? Hello, bro.
Yes, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. How are you?
All good. Apologize, I don't have a camera on my PC. Apologize
Okay,
for that.
okay, no problem. Okay, first of all, introduce of myself. My name is Mahim Sarkar. I am a SEO expert. I working SEO expert. I provided all SEO expert like keyword research, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO. I audited your website. Your website have a many problem, like technical problem, for technical problem, on-page SEO problem, off-page SEO problem. I will do.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Can I share my screen?
You can. You may share your screen, sure.
Okay.
Oh, you're talking about your feedbacks. I actually did check your portfolio. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
And
Wait.
it
Wait.
seems like it. Sure.
Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Egypt.
Is it okay? I'm from
Do you
Bangladesh.
know Egypt? Do you
Yes, I know.
actually know Egypt? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And this is my portfolio account and testimonial. I working the this is okay. 1 minute. This is my fiber work review and 5-star review, and I don't know why I open this.
It's all right. It's all right. So let me
Okay.
tell you. So you said your name is Mahim. Am I pronouncing it yet? Right?
Yes.
Mahim, right? Okay. So, Mahim, the thing is, you are the expert here, okay?
Okay.
I
Yes.
do not understand SEO. I do not understand, like whatever related to that thing, even though I was actually graduated from computer science, but I
Yes.
didn't go that career. I've gone like through a compliance career. But, anyways, um, the website. So, as you can see, can you see this homepage? I don't know. Home is not. I mean, like the words beside home, like the different pages. It's not visible here. People can't see if they can click on it or what. I mean, like I'm not sure what's happening with the website completely,
Okay,
but
okay. Tell me, and how many competitor your and domain name with?
you're talking how many competitors you said for this domain. I don't
Yes.
know. We have a lot of tourism websites around Egypt,
Okay.
and
And first of all,
mhm.
audit your website, and your website have many all keyword many keyword you use and this website, and I use WordPress. Your website is WordPress, right?
This is WordPress. Yes.
Okay, and first of all, I need your WordPress access, and then I open your WordPress page, and then I optimization like rank method your host, and I optimization then your possibility rank, sir, and keyword
Okay.
research. Yes,
So my question.
domain is very okay. How was your domain you purchase?
It was purchased through a company that worked on the website. You know,
What is the company? What is the company name?
it's a local. It's a local company in within
Okay.
my city, and they do have access to those stuff.
Okay,
But I find the website. Mhm.
I was optimization many WordPress website, and this is my portfolio website, and I
Mhm.
okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
wait 1 second, and I was ranking and many website like this website, and I was optimization this website, then rank your website. That's look at this
Right.
result.
Right. That's great. So, uh, well,
Okay,
how far can you go with the price?
and price for $30.
$30 would be your maximum.
Yes,
Your best.
maximum. And what? Okay, yes. And what is your price?
Okay.
Okay,
So can you try your best for
okay. Yes,
$25 since it's the first time and then we can keep doing it? $25? Would that be okay?
25. Okay, no problem.
Okay. I can go for a
Okay,
$25.
Okay. I will send your inbox $25. Okay.
Yeah, share with me offline the the custom offer. Okay,
Okay,
the
brother.
custom offer will include everything, right? Like
Okay.
everything for the website. Is that
Okay.
right?
Yes. Okay. I was many person completed. Okay. This is person I completed ranking, and this is review. You know this review. I think you say it my 5-star review, right?